Welcome to Autoz Time, your trusted source for everything on wheels. Today we're diving into the world of timeless farm machines, classic tractors that have shaped the agricultural landscape for generations. From their iconic designs to the powerful engineering beneath their metal frames, classic tractors are more than just workhorses, they're a testament to human ingenuity and durability. Our journey begins with one of the most celebrated brands, John Deere. Known for its unmistakable green and yellow livery, John Deere has been synonymous with reliability since the early 20th century. The John Deere Model A, introduced in 1934, was a groundbreaking tractor that set new standards in farming efficiency. With its innovative two-cylinder engine, it was both economical and powerful enough for large-scale farm operations. Even today, restored Model A tractors are highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its simplicity and charm. Next up is the Fordson Model F, a true pioneer that changed the farming landscape in the 1910s. It was the first mass-produced tractor and revolutionized agriculture with its affordability and compact design. Unlike its larger, cumbersome predecessors, the Fordson Model F was small but mighty, offering farmers an accessible way to mechanize their work. This iconic machine laid the groundwork for many of the technological advancements that followed in the industry. The Farmall brand by International Harvester also deserves a spotlight. The Farmall Regular, launched in 1924, was the first tractor to be marketed as an all-purpose machine. Its lightweight construction, combined with its powerful four-cylinder engine, meant that it could plow, cultivate, and harvest with ease. The Farmall's adaptability and efficiency allowed farmers to replace their teams of horses and expand their productivity like never before. Of course, no discussion about classic tractors is complete without mentioning the Massey Ferguson 135. Known for its robustness and versatility, the MF 135 became a staple on farms around the world during the 1960s and 70s. This tractor was powered by a Perkins engine, ensuring reliability and a long life even under heavy use. With features such as multi-power transmission and a comfortable operator seat, it was clear that the MF 135 was designed with the farmer in mind. Let's not forget the impressive Oliver 70, a tractor that captured attention with its streamlined design and modern look when it was introduced in the 1930s. The Oliver 70 wasn't just about looks, though it had substance too, featuring a six-cylinder engine that gave it an edge in power and performance. The model was highly regarded for its balance between aesthetics and capability, making it a standout in tractor history. Another noteworthy model is the Allis-Chalmers WC. Launched in 1933, it was a game-changer with its use of rubber tires instead of steel wheels, providing better traction and a smoother ride. The WC's four-cylinder engine provided the necessary torque for heavy-duty farm tasks, and it became a beloved workhorse for mid-20th century farmers across the United States. Today, classic tractors like these aren't just farm machinery, they are pieces of history cherished by collectors and restored with care. Many of them can be found at vintage tractor shows or in private collections, lovingly preserved to remind us of a time when hard work and innovative engineering went hand in hand. Each restored tractor tells a story of resilience, craftsmanship, and the relentless spirit of progress that defined a generation. From the hum of their engines to the glistening polish on their restored bodies, classic tractors continue to captivate enthusiasts around the world. They are a tribute to the past and a reminder of the power of mechanical ingenuity that drove the evolution of farming. Whether you're a collector, a farmer, or simply an admirer of historic machinery, these tractors embody the rugged beauty and engineering mastery that remain timeless. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of legendary vehicles, only